Hi, I'm Dan Peters from Lano Equipment, here to talk to you about a really nice used T450. It's a 2023 model, technically bought in 22. It comes with a nice 5-year extended warranty. Only has 27 hours on it. This machine is pretty loaded up. The best part about it being the 2-speed on it is that this year is the last year that Bobcat will have a 2-speed on their T450. So getting that this year would be a really good optimal time to get one. This one is like I said, has quite a few options on it. Comes with nice side light kit on it, which is great for when you're moving snow or even in the winter or in the summertime. Multi-bar tracks, which are a nice softer track, which are great also in the wintertime. Good when you're doing landscaping as well. Inside the machine, we have joysticks. So you got your SJC selectable joystick on it, heat, air, radio, and so the backup camera, which is a really great feature, especially for safety and just for yourself when you're backing up at the hit stuff. Look at the multi-bar tracks on it. Nice soft track, great for snow. Helps you get traction so you have to slip on that ice. Great on finished surfaces and also on grass. Coming down the arms here, I also added a 7-pin control, so you add your attachments on here, we can basically run any machine you want. Set with a nice enclosed cab on it. It's nice for obviously wintertime, summertime with that heat and air inside of it. On it is a nice Vernig 66-inch bucket. Got a dual cutting edge on it, very nice capacity. Lower back so you have good visibility when you're cutting or grading, you can see everything that's going on. Stop in today to Lano Equipment in Anoka here where I'm at. We can talk about the 450, you can look at it. We can go over financing or what we need to do for you. Whatever you need, we can also check out other equipment too. Thank you.